This is autonomy.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The battle for AI sovereignty is moving from theoretical debates to architectural mandates. We are seeing a sharp divide between the closed gardens of the frontier labs. Alex Karp of Palantir and Arthur Mensch of Mistral are sounding the same alarm. They warn that enterprises are walking into a trap where closed AI providers gain total leverage over proprietary data. It is about the risk of a provider suddenly revoking access or changing terms of service. This is exactly why Tencent just made a massive move with Hi3. They released a 295 billion parameter model under the permissive Apache 2.0 license. Unlike previous Chinese releases that excluded the European Union and the United Kingdom, Hi3 is open for business globally. It is designed to be efficient. This makes it a serious candidate for companies that want frontier power without the risk of vendor lock-in. But escaping the gravity of closed providers requires more than just open weights. It requires the hardware and the low-level infrastructure to run them locally. It is essentially an AI lab in a box with 128 gigabytes of memory. This allows developers to run models exceeding 100 billion parameters. Hugging Face is professionalizing the plumbing. They have introduced a new kernel repository type. This includes trusted publishers and code signing to stop malicious code from executing with high privileges. This foundation is critical for the next step. We are seeing this in the robot version 0.60. It introduces world models that allow robots to imagine the future before they act. By combining local hardware and standardized kernels, we are moving toward truly autonomous agentic systems. While these local tools empower the developer, the broader financial and regulatory architecture is facing a different kind of instability. Look at Oracle. They have bet hundreds of billions of dollars on the success of OpenAI. But recent filings show a worrying level of exposure. If the AI bubble pops and big labs cannot pay their bills, Oracle could be left holding the bag for a massive amount of unused compute capacity. The EU just implemented a €3 fee on low-value imports. This is a direct hit to the hobbyists and techies who rely on platforms like AliExpress for electronic parts. It is a move toward protectionism that could turn the United Kingdom into a dumping ground for cheap goods. Even the foundations of the web are shifting. Vitalik Buterin is proposing a lean Ethereum rebuild. This is a multi-year overhaul to make the network quantum-resistant and private. It is a signal that the industry is preparing for a world where current encryption is no longer enough. Today, we have seen a clear through line, whether it is enterprises demanding model portability, developers building local AI workstations, or it is a move toward resilience and autonomy. The era of blindly trusting a few central providers is ending. Now, the competitive advantage goes to whoever owns their own stack. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.